Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. This is social class. In the last class, we were dealing with Unit 4 Atmosphere. Let's have a short recap. What are the 5 atmospheric layers? Yes, they are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. What is called solar radiation? The earth receives heat energy from the sun in the form of radiation. It is called solar radiation. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years. The next topic is elements of climate. The elements of climate are temperature, pressure, wind, clouds, and rainfall. Today, we are going to learn about temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness that can be measured using a thermometer. Heat energy is transferred between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere in a variety of ways, including conduction, convection, and radiation. The temperature variation occurs in land due to conduction. What is conduction? Heat from the Earth's core and radiation from the sun is transferred to the surface of the earth by conduction. The temperature variation occurs in water due to convection. What is convection? Contact of the atmosphere with these warm surfaces transfers thermal energy which then heats up the rest of the air through convection. The temperature variation occurs in atmosphere due to terrestrial radiation. Terrestrial means anything which represents a earth. The radiation emitted by the earth surface is called as a terrestrial radiation. The earth has the capacity to reflect the sun's rays. The temperature is not same everywhere. Some places are hot, some places are cold. Let's recall what we learned today. What are the elements of climate? The elements of climate are temperature, pressure, wind, clouds, and rainfall. What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness that can be measured using a thermometer. The temperature variation occurs in land due to conduction, in water due to convection, in atmosphere due to terrestrial radiation. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you, students.